Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Get Coded with Lakshay. Today we will learn about Python basics. This is the part 1 in which we will covering these things. How to use Tkinter library, how to make a label, how to make a button and how to make a function. So these are very necessary things to learn in Python, and from this we can make any app very easy. So let's start. So before we start the coding, if you haven't downloaded Anaconda, you have to, because we are doing the pattern coding in the Anaconda's app Spider. So for now you have to download Anaconda. So if you haven't downloaded Anaconda, the download link is in my previous video's description and also in this video's description as well. So now we will start the code. To make an app, we will be importing a library which is Tkinter. So we will be write from Tkinter. We will import star, means all the libraries of Tkinter. So now, to make a fully functional window, we will be first writing root is equal to tk. So it's a function of Tkinter from which we can make a window. When we will make this window, we can give it a name from the root.title. I will write Python basics. Then we can give it some geometry, means we will be defining the width and height of that window. So we have to write this in double inverted commas. First we will write the width is always first. Then we will divide the width and height with x. Then we will give the height 500 as well. We can also give the window a color through configure. So in configure, inside it we will write bg. So bg is equal to, we can write pink. You can choose any color. Before that, you will be saving the file as any name. I have saved it Python class 2, and if you haven't saved it, it may be deleted if you close the app. So to make this window fully functional, we will write this code root.main. So the defining of labels, buttons, function, everything we will be doing it between the root.configure and root.main loop. Everything would be between in these two lines. So let's check that whether the window is opening or not. So as you can see, it's opening. The name is Python basics. The width and height is 500. The color, background color is pink. So don't do it like we will write this code in the end, because mostly we forget this to write. So what if you will not write it, you will see this error that nothing is visible. It will not open, nothing will happen. So you have to write this code when you are starting your code. So don't forget to write it first, or else you will forget it in the last. So now we can see that our window is opening. Now we will define labels. So defining label is very easy. Like we know how to make a variable. For example, we will write var is equal to 1. So variable is made. Just like that, we have to make labels. So we will give the variable name as label and write label with capital L. This will make this variable a label. So we will write root because we want to show it on the root window which we made here. Root is equal to tk. Then we will write text. Text is equal to, let's just say, get coded with Lakshay. So I will write this. We can also give background color, font color, etc, etc. I will be only giving root and text till now. We will add more things in next parts. So this is, we have made a label. But if you check it, it will not be visible on the screen because we haven't given it where to put it, like where to display this label. So before that, I will be telling you one thing. So if you maximize this window, it would be on full screen. So here you can see it's, so this window it has positions in X and Y. So X is from right to left and Y is from top to bottom. You have read it in maths. So in X, it starts from here. So if you write X as 0, the label would be here in the rightmost end. And if you write 1, so it would be in the leftmost end. If you write Y as 0, it would be on the top. And if you have written Y as 1, it would be at the bottom. So then there are 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 is the middle, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8 and 0.9. Just same with the Y. So if I say, if I put this label in the center, so I will write label dot place, and rel X means the X value as 0.5 and rel Y is 0.5 as well. Now if we run the code, you will be able to see get coded with Lakshay. You will see that it's not in the center. It is starting from the center, but it is going further. It is not looking nice. So to fix this error, we will be giving it anchor. So anchor would be center. So if we will save it and run it, we will be able to see it in center. So 0.5 from X and Y is center. Like if I write 0.1 in Y and 0.1 in X as well. So this would be the output. It's on the top and it's on the left. So like this it works. Now let's make a function. So to function we will write def. Def means define, and then we have to give the name of the function. So I will be giving it function 1, putting the round brackets, and instead of starting the curly brackets like we used to do in JavaScript, we will be putting colon. So in colon we will go inside the function. So what we will do inside the function, we will be changing the text of this label. So we will write label in square brackets, we will be writing text is equal to, then we will write, instead of get ready Lakshay, I will write subscribe so we have made our label. So to execute this function, we will be defining an button. So to make a button, we will do the same thing. We will make a variable and I will be giving the variable name as btn. Instead of label, we will be writing button with capital B. Again the root, the text as change text, and the btn.place rel X is equal to 0.5 in the center, but rel Y is 0.6, because if we will put it 0.5, these two will collide and it will not look good. We will be giving it 0.6, you can also give it 0.7 or 0.4, anywhere you like. You can also change the rel X. Then we will giving it anchor. And you can see this. But if you will click the button, nothing will happen because we haven't given the button a command to execute this function. So we will be adding command after text and we will write function 1. Make sure that you don't have to put the brackets or else it will not work. You just have to write the name. So now when I will run it, you click on change text. You can see the text has successfully changed. So this is how the function, button and the label works. So let's just try one more example. So after root.configure, I will make an variable in which we will add result as 4 plus 1. Now get created with Lakshay is already written. You can also remove it. Like for example, if I remove the text, and here I will write result because I want to show the result on the label. So obviously we know that 4 plus 1 is 5, so it will be visible here. Let's just run. When I will click on change text, it will be showing 5 because 4 plus 1 is 5, and that result is saved in the variable result, and that is visible on the label. So this is how the Python code will be work. So if you understand this, it's very good. If you don't, then you can watch this video again. If you still don't understand, you can watch this video again, or you can go on V3 Schools, which is a website which has every code with every examples. It has Python, Bootstrap, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and even more. So that's it for today. We will meet you in the next video, which is Python Basics Part 2, in which we will be learning more about Python components and different things. So now let's have a trivia question on the last Python class. So the question is, how we will write the code of a tuple? We have already discussed about tuple, dictionary, list and variable in the last class. So you have 10 seconds and tell me how we define a tuple. That's correct. Second part is the correct answer. If you gave the wrong one, no worries, you can revise the whole video again. And if the answer was correct, then you can comment it down below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. And yes, please don't forget to like, share my videos and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon. Bye bye.